Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about another important intellectual property right, and that is trademark. So what is trademark? Trademark or service mark. It includes any word, symbol, device or any combination which is used or intended to be used to identify and distinguish the goods or any services of one seller from another. It is also indicate the source of goods or the services. Here are some of the examples of trademark like Vodafone, Coca-Cola, Facebook logo, McDonald's symbols, Mercedes symbol, Starbucks coffee, Barbie, Oral-B, Oreo, Dell, YouTube, etc. Now, you might have come across these words TM, SM, and in some of the product you might have seen these R. Well, why different words on a different products? Well, if you are talking about any product, then you use TM. If you are a service provider, then you use SM. But this TM and SM are used only when you have applied for trademark or service mark. But once that is approved and registered, this TM and SM will be replaced by R mark. Please note, the trademark registration is not at all mandatory. But then, what is the need of going for trademark registration? Actually, there are various reasons to go for trademark registration. One is that it is kind of a notice to public of registrant's claim of ownership of the mark. Secondly, it gives legal presumption of ownership nationwide and it provides exclusive rights to use mark without being threat of theft. Trademark is a distinguished sign which identifies certain goods or services as those products are provided by a specific person or the enterprise. This system helps customer identify and purchase a product or service because its nature and quality indicated by its unique trademark that meets its required needs. Not only this, it also hinders the efforts of unfair competitors to use similar distinctive signs to market inferior or different products or services. So, is there any rule for trademarking in India? Then the answer is yes. Indian government has given the Trademark Act 1999 and Rules 2002. Do you know the first trademark was registered in UK and it was given to an alcoholic beverage. And the interesting thing is that it is still in a force. Current Trademark Act was previously known as a Trade and Merchandise Act 1958. And under this act, trademark is defined differently. It means a mark which is capable of being represented graphically and which is capable of distinguish goods or services of one person from those of others and may include shape of goods, their packing and combination of colors. Now let's see the definition of mark. That is any device, brand, heading, label, ticket, name, signature, word, letter, numerals, shape of goods, packing, even the combination of colors or any such combination will be called as a mark. So, what are the requirements of trademark registration? It should be distinctive, capable of being represented graphically. It should not be similar to marks previously registered, and lastly, it must not be prohibited. So, on this last point, there must be some prohibition as well. So, now we will see what cannot be registered as trademark. If any mark which does not capable of distinguish goods or services from others, if it indicates quality, quantity, use, geographical origin or the time of the production, if it may deceive the public or cause confusion which likely to hurt religious susceptibility of any class or community, which contains or comprise of any scandalous matters, all these things cannot be trademarked. Well then, what can be trademarked? Any name or surname can be trademarked. For an example, Tata, Sony, Armani, Kotak, etc. Even any word or brand can also be trademark. For an example, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Reliance. Any logo, like first logo of Mercedes, second logo of Audi, last one is of Amazon. Even the logos can be trademarked, like Amul's slogan, the taste of India. Surf Excel's slogan, दाग अच्छे हैं. McDonald's, I'm loving it. Idea, an idea can change your life. All this can be trademarked. Not stopping to this, any letters or numerals, for an example, Facebook's letter F, HBO, all these also can be trademarked. Even the symbols, devices, then the combination of colors and photo of the packing that can be also trademarked. Nowadays, a shape of good can also be trademarked. The best example is Taj Hotel picture and Apple Store design. Both these are trademarked. Not only this, Shah Rukh Khan and Sachin Tendulkar's signatures are also trademarked. Even the domain names are also trademarked nowadays. But who can apply for this trademark? Actually, any person, which can be individual, company, or legal entity, claiming to be the owner of the trademark can apply for this particular thing. Now we have seen what can be trademark, who can apply. Now what kind of documents will be required in trademark registration, that we will see. So you can see all these different kind of documents which are required for the registration of the trademark. TM48, date of first use of this trademark, name and address of the mark, type of organization, all these things are the required in the document. You can apply for this trademark to its registry office, which are located in Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, and Ahmedabad. Whichever is near to your place, you can apply there. Now we will see the procedure of trademark registration. So first of all, you need to search for a similar kind of logo. If you do not find any similar logo, then only you can move for the registration. So apply for the same and you will receive an application number. Within 3 months, your application will be examined and it will be evaluated for further registration process. If you receive and with this, you will receive the examination report. Now your trademark will be advertised in its journal and the certificate will be issued to you if there will be no opposition or if there will be no issues in your registration, then it will be given to you and your trademark will be approved. But time to time you will have to renew your trademark registration application by paying the required amount of fees for the same. Your trademark is valid for forever, but every 10 years you need to renew it. So the term period is of 10 years for any of the trademark. So with this, we finish the important IPR, that is trademark. Thank you.